Welcome back to DJ Boutique. Today, we're creating this beautiful ribbon flower together. It's beautiful and easy to follow. Let's begin. We'll be using 6 pieces of satin ribbon, each 2.5 cm wide and 10 cm long for our flower petals. First, let's heat seal the ends of our ribbons so that they don't fray while we work. Next, we'll start making our flower petals. Grab your needle and thread. We will now start sewing. Now it's time to add the centerpiece. I'm using a rhinestone for this one, but you can use anything you like or already have. It's finished! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and check out my other tutorials for more ideas. See you next time!